All right, back in this madness. Just picking up on the video right where we left off. Literally like 2 minutes later, putting the push rods back in there. Gonna check. What are we gonna check?
We're just gonna make sure the valve chain geometry is correct.
Meaning of life, man, it's like this, man. You like a butterfly flapping his wings deep down in the forest, man. They're gonna cause a tree fall like 5,000 miles away, man. And ain't nobody see it, nobody don't even happen. You know, the baby's born into this world, and they don't got dang friends and got nothing but to go come in and find out all about them, no evil, man. Man, see, like, you don't need to know, man. It's like you're born into this world, man. And you got it's like this, man, the dust in the wind, man. Or like the dang old candle in the wind, man. It don't matter, man. It's all the oldies, old time. You know what I think, man? Like them dang old, I think, therefore you...
And then we can correct it.
You heard the man. Our engine.
Yeah, real quick.
I know.
Real quick.
So we're out here doing exactly what we weren't supposed to be doing. And looks like we're gonna be rebuilding some fucking engine. This fool right here, he working quick, fast, quick. Oh shit, don't fucking mind this way.
This is gonna fall on video. Watch, I swear to God. I'm gonna drop it. It always happens like that.
Shit, fool. All right, so the head that we were suspecting is half-ass fucking torqued. Unfortunately, we found a little bit of it looked like it was a little bit stripped. Hopefully they didn't fuck up the tap on the block.
Oh.
Yep, water damage. Water in the cylinder?
Yeah, this one was running fucking hot as hell too.
Fool, do you think it was just a bad torque?
Probably.
Which one was the one that were
But still, we'll replace it. We wouldn't even use it. There's water in between too. I don't think they ran it long enough.
Oh, you're lying. What?
You see that? Do you think that's stripped?
What strip?
Put silicone in there.
Where is it?
This one. This one has silicone. This has silicone.
This one has silicone.
What the fuck? Yeah, they fucked up. They didn't torque it down right. They got scared, and they were like, "Fuck, it's not sealing.
Let's go sell it to fucking Ghetto Rig. Hire that fool will buy anything."
Fuck.
Look right here. Watcha.
Yeah, there's water in there.
It's rusted.
Yeah, look, you can see it. So rusted.
Oh, this is hella rusted.
All of them, fool.
What are you doing? No te vayas a caer, cabrón. Ay, no, ahorita.
Alright, go ahead and spin it. Let's oh, half inch, right?
Yeah.
There you go. Alright, so what we're gonna do is fucking tear it apart, clean it up, get everything ready.
Tomorrow rebuilding it?
We're rebuilding tomorrow and then dropping it in tomorrow night.
Yeah.
One by one.
Alright, moment of truth. Another one by one. Put this shit over here.
Quick check. No, it's good, fool. This one's good. Yeah.
You sure?
Just for right now, because obviously we're gonna be checking everything with mics when we assemble. Check everything with mics to make sure we're 100%.
Straight piece of shit, fool. Like, how is this fool gonna give us a fucking engine ready to fucking install with no fucking pickup tube? Fucking bitch ass fool. Motherfucker talking about I build
Oh yeah, he said some dumbass shit too.
I build big blocks all the time.
Yeah, what are you
Motherfucker, you don't build a goddamn thing.
I'm building dick in his mouth. It's funny because like right now we're speeding through everything, so everyone's gonna be watching it and be like, nope, that's not how you do it.
Oh fuck yeah, you know for a fact.
Down with him. No, they're doing orientation off. That's not the right sequence. Boo, 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 boo.
It's like it really matters
Well, I mean, it does. I'm not gonna lie, it does.
when you take it off.
Yeah, but when we're going in this speed, just make sure we don't fuck it up. We already did.
What are your thoughts about the second one?
No, bro, I'm scared.
Quick thinking.
I'm
Think
tired.
fast.
I'm hungry. They tried to take it off with something and they couldn't and broke it.
Fucking, you think so?
Yeah.
Because the clamps usually go inside.
No, but if they're idiots, they're gonna. This one, there should be another scratch mark back. Look, scratch marks back here, too. And there's another one somewhere else. Look right here. Well, I don't know if that's.
See, we
tape.
were spectacle. Oh my god, dude, what is up with the words?
I don't know.
We were skeptical on why the fuck would they even put tape.
Yeah.
Like, why the fuck would you put tape? It never really crossed our mind. But I mean, can you imagine why now? Fucking piece of shit, dude, straight up. All right, y'all, so we might be a little bit ahead of myself, a little bit ahead of ourselves on this straight swap that ended up to being a fucking project. Anyways, wanted to show you guys how we pulled the bearings. We went to the, what was it, the low special? Low special with a what's it called, a race bearing fucking conversion to take the bearings out. Here's one of them, here's another one. We got a set right here that we by some miracle found in O'Reilly's. Actually no, not O'Reilly's, it was AutoZone. So yeah, we'll get it. We'll show you guys right now when we're done, so you guys can see what is Gucci with all this contraption. What's up, fool? All-nighter number 2. Ni vergas, güey. How much HP, fool?
Oh.
A la verga.
HP? We're gonna lose about. We're gonna lose about.
We're gonna lose about 200.
Nah, we'll drop it like about 10 pieces. You know what I'm saying? I'm like,
All right, so this is gonna be the full fucking Sander LS3. This project. That's the project name now, fool.
yeah. All right, spray this one. Damn, we're running out of.
Lightweight. I might have some more.
This one's the problematic one.
Yeah. This is the problem cylinder. I mean, yeah, I can still feel it, fool.
I know. There's things you should do and things you shouldn't do in life, right?
Yeah.
Fuck. All right, spray it.
Here we go again.
You can barely see them.
Oh, I mean, this one right here, está bien picado, güey. Like right
Yeah.
there, you see that?
There's a lot of leak on this one. Just keep going, because I don't see. It's still. You can still see like the cut. And then you're gonna keep cross hatching. Go. Spray.
Full sand, full ghetto rig. We out here. Just ask about me, bitch.
Watch out with your.
Oh shit, my bad, my bad.
Three days later.
This would actually be the third night that I will be working on the motor. It's not really work because I'm not really doing anything to it. I mean, as you guys can see, we got a whole lot of mess around this bitch. I was working on the heads yesterday. I was taking off the valve springs off of the 243s, and I'm gonna put them on the 5364s. But you know, it was a complete success yesterday. Like we showed you guys, we ended up fucking rigging up this thing so we can throw new camshaft bearings. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try and clean up these heads somewhat. Javi was actually going to come through today. Actually, hold up, I got a phone call. Speak of the devil. Why the fuck do I keep saying
You need more Red Bull in your system.
Probably. What's today? Monday? Today's Monday. About to be Tuesday. Shit, fool. We've been starting late, so yeah. It feels like we've been at this for way longer than we should have. What time is it? There you go. It's about to be 11, so let's see how long we're up today for. All right, who else seen this Mexican ingenuity?
So
this fool
using 3/8
as a fucking space as a washer.
And then we're gonna cut rings on top of the block.
You feel me? We ain't going nowhere. We got it all set up right here.
You know what I'm saying?
Damn. What a fucking mess. All right, y'all, so we're back out here. It's morning. It's windy as hell. It's a fucking shitty day. It's been a shitty week. Yeah, so progress on the block itself. Like I said, the new cam bearings installed. They look good. But unfortunately, sorry, my battery died and I had to go get another one. Meanwhile, I was doing that. This is gonna get covered up. I don't know how, cause it's this bag is a little tight and it's cloudy as hell. So we're gonna get some rain, and I gotta cover this, cause it finally came to the point where we're just gonna scrap this fucking project that, first of all, was not supposed to be a project. Unfortunately, we picked up a block that was completely bad. This was just supposed to be straight up pick up and pick up and swap it into the Trailblazer. But come to find out, when we had it in the truck, we saw that there was a mismatch on the fucking head gaskets. This one is obviously new Felpro, and this is the OEM LS2 gasket. This is a OEM GM gasket. So we were like, why in the hell would there be two separate head gaskets? So we already thought the worst from the get-go. After I gave the dude the money, after he fucking left, yeah, we started looking into this, and we were like, why does the picture of the engine not match the actual engine that we physically have right here? And the answer to that is the guy stole the picture from another post. I actually found the post. Unfortunately, I slipped. I guess I got too sidetracked from the fact that this is the LS3. and the price that he was selling it for, it was, you know, really fucking cheap. I guess this is where you get what you pay for. Unfortunately, that applied to me today, but this was completely uncalled for. I straight up told the dude that I wanted this motor for my wife so I could get that Trailblazer done. Meanwhile, I finished up the LS2, but he straight up didn't give a fuck, you know, piece of shit. Yeah, so this is it. To be honest, I am not looking forward into doing anything to this block anymore. This cylinder for some reason is, you know, about 10 thousandths wider than the rest of them, so this will probably have to be, well, the entire engine would probably have to be at least a good 20 to 30 over, just to you know, to clean it up. I know I could do that. I know if I do that, this engine will run the way it's supposed to be. It will run good, but I do not want to put any more money into this. Like, I've put way more than enough money on this. The heads, I don't know, I mean I'm selling it all separate just to see if I could get my money back so I could put it towards the other engine. And yeah, I guess we're closing this one off pretty short. So thank you guys for joining me, and I don't know, we'll see what happens later. I'm not 100% sure what is gonna happen, but if I don't sell it, I mean, I'm just gonna keep it. Obviously, I'm not gonna go throw it away, but the motor still got potential, and I can, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, I don't know what to do right now. So I could keep it, overboard it, throw it all back together. I know with the overboard for damn sure this is gonna fucking run the way it's supposed to run. But I don't want to, but I'm not at that point to making the decision to going forward with this. I'm just a little pissed off right now, and yeah, so deuces everybody, see you guys on the next one.